Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet orange hair clip, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. To make that orange hair clip, I will use a cotton yarn and hook number 2.5 millimeter as shown now. I will start round 1. I will make a magic ring, then I will make 6 single crochet stitches inside that magic ring, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 1, then I will start round 2. I will make 2 single crochet stitches into every stitch across that row to have 12 single crochet stitches at the end of that round, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 2, then I will start round 3. I will make single crochet into the next stitch as shown now. Then I will make 2 single crochet stitches into the next and repeat with same sequences. So I will make single crochet into the next stitch and make 2 single crochet into the next. I will repeat with same sequences, then close with a slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 3, then I will start round 4. I will make single crochet into next 2 stitches as shown now. That is first single crochet and that is second single crochet. Then make 2 single crochet into the next stitch as shown now and repeat with same sequence across that row. So I will make single crochet into next 2 stitches and make 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat with same sequences, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 4, then I will start round 5. I will make single crochet into next 3 stitches as shown now. First single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet, then make 2 single crochet stitches into fourth single crochet as shown now, then repeat with same sequences across that row, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 5, then I will start round 6. I will make single crochet into next 4 stitches as shown now, then make 2 single crochet into the 5th stitch as shown now, 2 single crochet stitches into same stitch and repeat with same sequences across that row, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 6, then I will start round 7 I will make single crochet into next 5 stitches, then make 2 single crochet into the 6th stitch to have 42 single crochet stitches at the end of the round, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 7, then I will start round 8. I will contrast color to yellow as shown now. Then make single crochet into next 5 stitches and make 2 single crochet into the 5th stitch and repeat that group 7 times. I mean with the group content of 5 single crochet stitches, then 2 single crochet stitches into the 6th stitch. I hope that obvious for you. To have 49 single crochet stitches at the end of that round, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 8, then I will start round 9. I will contrast color again to orange and make single crochet into next 5 stitches as shown now, then make 2 single crochet into the 6th stitch and repeat that 8 groups, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 9, then I will start round 10. I will contrast color to yellow again as shown now. I will bend that unit and join 2 parts with single crochet stitches into every stitch across that row, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will make a chain and cut our yarn, then fasten off. Then I will use a tapestry needle and use a yellow yarn, then make lines into that circle as shown now. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished that line as shown now. Then I will get the cloth to cover the metal clip as shown now and cut as the shape of the orange unit as shown now. With that shape, and make a hole with the scissor to join that metal clip. With that shape. Then I will sew the cloth and metal clip and crochet orange unit with the tapestry needle as shown now. Now I finished that orange crochet and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.